Hello YouTubers, once again welcome to the Depression. This is Discovering What Channel. For some time now we have been discussing about a free energy generator and how you can design a free energy system. And in that process we have a different component. We have the motor, we have the generator, and we have also the flywheel. And what I'm showing you today, I'm going to show you one of the things that one of my subscribers designed. And the last time I showed you about this young man, which is a very good product, and I explained to you different things about this young man, about the testimony of things he has designed, and how he said the energy system is working. When some are argue about the system and some are also designing perfectly, I am not here to prove to you about anything, because I know what we are doing is correct and is working. But I'm just trying to give you a view, because many people are asking questions on how they design, what they can do to design the generator. Some are designing and I will show when we do that. And many people are also bombarding me with some lot of questions, which I could not even answer all because of time frame. But I'm always use opportunity at this time to explain things that are very important and you need to know. I know that I cannot explain everything in one video. That is why sometimes I refer them to a playlist. I refer you to a playlist so that you can be able to go in it and see what you can do. For instance, now this is one of the production I want to discover the last time about a free energy system and how it's working system, and he also testified about that the free energy system he did was perfectly okay and was working. Though he asked me some questions in a private chat about the issue that he having, and I'm going to also touch that area because I know many of you want to know about that area, which is very important. Let us take a look at what he did last time, and that is very important because I know that you help you out to see.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow generator is working right now. You can see the speed. You can see. Wow, congratulations to me. I want to do another test, right?
Yes, let me just explain something that what he said was the generator is working, and he's convincing himself. Very good idea and very good. And I look at the issue of the motor, and I see the motor is okay, the speed of the motor is okay, and also generating light. But some things we have to learn to know is how you can sustain the light for a long period of time, because many people have some issue of how they can sustain the system. And some say whenever they switch over from the generator to the motor, from the external power source to the internal power source, the generator goes down. I want to tell you one thing you know. You see, when it comes to technical design, you need to go for a little more training. If you have that issue, I've explained to many people how to solve that problem, but some have an issue one with that. But that is why I want to also explain to you that when you have the issue, make sure your flywheel is okay. And number two, you should also make sure that your generator is producing at the maximum. For instance, now let's take a look at the generator now. There's no flywheel in the system now, as you can see. There's no flywheel in the system. If you take a look very well, you see there's no flywheel in the system. So in this kind of case, now, if in this kind of case now, there's no flywheel. So if each switch over from the external power source, which is helping to run the motor, to the internal power source, which the generator lights or the alternator light, it's the light will go down. Because why? The pressure will go down because there is no kinetic energy that will be able to sustain the system, make it going. And that's most of the people have now. For instance, if you have a flywheel within itself, the flywheel is supposed to keep the generator on a motion, pending where the generator will not release the voltage to the motor. The question you're having, most of you are having, is how you can sustain this process. Because remember that definitely I have seen many people say, engineer, what you're doing is working, this is working, I have tried it, it's working perfectly, but the problem I'm having is this. Now I told them that area, if you cannot do it, then you need a technical training. Because thank God you've testified that the generator is working. Thank God you need a generating light without fuel, without this. But now you are having an issue of how you can sustain this light for a long time. If you have the issue, then you need a training. The training is in that I have asked people about this training. The training is to keep you to know the area which you have in the problem, and to tell you the technical design. Because if I explain everything, that things I tell you technically, this is how you're going to do. 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 So that you get the problem. If I give me a flywheel and then I see the flywheel that's working perfectly, I see the motor is working okay, I see the generator is okay, I tell you it's okay. This is what's the problem, and that has to do with is straightforward training. That is how to do personal training, because this is a technical design you're doing to do. This is a life design. We're not doing child play here. We are doing what is a worldwide invention that I know it will help you to bring down to 0% your cost of electricity. So you should also know that you mean business. Okay, let me take a look at this person design. This is another young man. This is something very impressive. He actually did this back and told you want to convert this generator from fuel to fuel generator. And I believe that he said he watched my video on a fuel generator and is interested to want to do a design on fuel generator, how to convert a fuel generator to fuel generator. I said yes, it's possible, and I told him what to do. I gave him description of what to do and how to do it, and I'm there everything how to do it. And let us take a look at what he has done here. Let me take a look and see what he has done. Okay, as you can see now, this is, you can see the generator is giving light. You can see this light, and I'm impressed because the generator production is so bright. The light is so in its fullness. It's a good production. It's not just a main typical light, but the light is in fullness. So it means it's having a good production. Now let's take a quick look at it. Though there was, you can hear it. You can see now. You can see the production. The light is full. You see it. Now, in this kind of case now, how will it sustain this production? Because many people ask me, sir, how do I sustain this kind of production? Because I know what you are doing is okay. I have seen that the operation is perfectly good. But sir, what is the problem I'm having? The issue I'm having now is that I cannot do this, I cannot do that, I cannot do this. And I always advise them that, okay, if you cannot do, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, then I explain to you, you cannot understand it. What if you cannot understand it, you have to come for training. Because that is area you can be able to have a full comprehension of what you're looking for. Because for now, you can see so many people are designing. You can see so many people. This is the full bulb. As you can see, this is the bulb now. This is the bulb. And this is a energy consuming bulb. As you can see, this is energy consuming bulb. Energy consuming because it's an heat bulb. And you can see that when this is plugged now, when it's plugged, you see it now, you see the light shows very well. There was a full production. And as you can see, there's a full production. The production of the light is very full, and that just to convince you that this is not a fake system. And this video is sent to me as a part of the evidence of what he has done. And I appreciate so much what he's doing. So this is another evidence you have to let you know, because sometimes we thought that what we are doing is a child play. But we're not doing child play here. We are talking about what is working. And I've explained to you, if you go to my place, it's a different way of working this. I told you about the mechanical aspect and the electrical aspect. I told you that this is the only way the motor does the work of the engine. So the problem you're having now is we can keep a motor in slow motion, you will always have a bright and constant light. So that's what it's all about. Keeping the motor in the motion is what makes the energy working. Now, what you need to do now is how do you keep the motor in constant motion? And that is where many people are having issue and asking questions, sir, how do I keep the motor in that motion? And somebody says, okay, it's working, they have done it, it's okay. Somebody says it's working, I have done it, it's okay, and it's working. Somebody explained to them and they'll pick the motion, it's okay, sir, I've done it, and it's okay. So this is what we're talking about, energy solution. Now, I want to explain something on this production. When it switched over the power source, you know that the generator was already going. You cannot switch the power source and generator will be immediately go off. No, it's not like it's not a car that you just switch off and the car goes off. No, the generator is on motion, so it will take time. That is the place where the switching over goes over, and that is where you need this a device that will boost the voltage high and then take off generator. Because if you look at now closely on this position, is that when the generator does the test and the bulb shows very well, after that wetness broken, then you switch off the power source. Now as you switch off the power source, you see that the generator goes slow, and the sound reducing. So this is how, in this kind of case now, if there's an issue in that area, you need to introduce a voltage booster to boost the voltage up and then pick up from that place. Just like switching over from a snap power source and take over from a power source. And that is a simple way of using. But there are other things you need to know. But you need to know. And if you still have an issue, then you reach me where I need to go for a training system. Thank you for watching this